we will discuss about the physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured, are called physical quantities. So these quantities, for example, are length, mass, time, temperature. For example, you want to measure the length of some object, then it is a measurable quantity. So mass, time, and temperature. Okay, a physical quantity possesses at least two characteristics. What are two characteristics? Which is its numerical value and unit in which it is measured. So, for example, if a length of a student is 104 centimeter, then 104 is the numerical value and centimeter is the unit in which it is measured. It is also called the unit of measurement. And these physical quantities are described into the two quantities, or you can say divided into two quantities, which are the base quantities and derived quantities. Base quantities are those 7 physical quantities which form the foundation for other physical quantities. यानी कि आप इनको यूज करते हुए इनकी बुनियाद को लेते हुए आप दूसरी क्वांटिटीज, दूसरी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज को क्या कर सकते हो, मेजर कर सकते हो. तो these physical quantities are called the base quantities. For example, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, intensity of light, and the amount of substance. And then the second category of physical quantities is derived quantities. derived से पता चल रहा है किसी और चीज से इसको हासिल किया गया, यानी कि those physical quantities which are expressed in terms of base quantities are called the derived quantities. For example, area, volume, speed, force, work, energy, power, electric charge, electric potential, etc. are called the derived quantities. So this is our today lectures about branches of physics and then physical quantities and its categories. So next lecture we will be discussing about prefixes and moving forward the other topics. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video and share this video with others. Thank you.